You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. The week began with sales on the oil market, which is not entirely logical, because the death of American soldiers as a result of a drone strike is a risk factor. However, investors focus not on supply, but on demand, which decreases faster than supply decreases. However, it is necessary to take into account not only fundamental factors, but also key technical levels. On Monday, during the Pacific trading session, American WTI crude oil began trading above $79 per barrel, reacting to a drone strike. But since this is a strong technical resistance level, the demand above it turned out to be very weak, provoking a wave of sales. But even this is not entirely logical, because at the moment everything points to the absence of significant risks for the US economy. At the very least, it is safe to say that investors do not believe in the prospect of a significant slowdown in the world's largest economy. This is indicated by the next update of the historical maximum by the S&P 500 index. Thus, we can only talk about obvious uncertainty and perhaps even nervousness of the market. After all, the current corrective decline is much more like a rebound from the technical resistance level than the result of the emergence of a strong fundamental factor. Shifting to the foreign exchange market, let's pay attention to the lack of unidirectional movement of the US dollar in pairs with most currencies. This is despite the fact that the key stock index continues to strengthen, updating historical highs, and government bond yields are declining. Most likely, the reason is that investors want to hear hints from the head of the Federal Reserve regarding further prospects for changing monetary policy. But today, all attention will be focused on the publication of GDP data in Germany, France, and the Eurozone. And during the American trading session, the Consumer Confidence Index will be published. Further growth will reduce the likelihood of easing the Fed's monetary policy. While we are seeing clear uncertainty in the foreign exchange market, Bitcoin has resumed growth. The largest cryptocurrency returned above 43,000, indicating the end of a wave of sales, which is more like a corrective decline. Considering all this, the main scenario is still bullish. The nearest strong technical resistance level is located at the 44,500 mark, but the main goal and at the same time an obstacle for buyers is at the psychological resistance level of $50,000. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.